Hello guys. So today we're gonna talk about the perimeter of circle. Well, for circle it has a weird name. I don't know why people decided to do this, but we have to follow it. They don't call circles perimeter. They call it circumference. Did you see this weird spelling? Circumference. They call it another name. I don't know why, but you have to follow it. So how to calculate the circumference or perimeter of a circle? Well, you can't just directly tell um like before, like we have a like for rectangle, it's just 2 times bracket width plus length bracket. You can't do that anymore because this is a historical issue. Think about this. So was like back in 2000 years ago, and the manufacturers of wheels noticed that the perimeter of a wheel is always roughly 3 times and slightly bigger than its diameter. And if you're smart, you probably notice that a wheel is a circle, and the perimeter, this is the perimeter of the circle. This black thing that makes up the circle. So it's 3 point something. So there's a correlation. There's a link. There's a relationship between the diameter and the perimeter. And people couldn't figure this out. So instead, they make a specific value just to describe this ratio relationship. What is it? It's pi equals to 3.1141592, something like that. And then, so from this relationship, we can get the circumference of the circle is really just pi, this ratio, times the diameter, because this pi literally describes the relationship between the diameter and the circumference. How many diameters are there in a circumference? Pi is literally describing this ratio. So it's pi d or 2 pi r. Because r, do you see this is the diameter, this is the center. Normally, we label center as O. This is not 0. This is the alphabetical letter O. So if we have a point, but a line start from center O to any point on the circle, this section is called R. R can be these, can be these, can be these, can be these. It doesn't have to be this single line. A circle has infinite amount of diameter and radius. And what is radius? And what is diameter? It is 2 radius. That is a straight line that forms a 180 degree. This is a definition of the diameter. And then, yeah, to figure out the perimeter or circumference of a circle, you need its diameter or radius. See you in the next video.